the Master Smooth here for another video. In the last video of Python showed you how to download it, but I didn't show you how to add it to the path. So I'm going to re-download this. First though, what you want to do, you want to make sure that you don't already have Python installed. So before you do anything, you want to go to your command prompt, open it up, and you want to check to make sure you don't already have Python installed already. You do that by saying Python dash version. And as you can see, I don't have it installed. So we're going to do that again a little bit. I'm going to go here, hit download, give it a few minutes, and it's going to download, show you where you can download it at. My particular one here. Hit save. Let's go into my download folder. I'm going to open it up right here. And then right here, you're going to go to custom installation. First, before you do that though, go back. You want to hit here with this. Then you want to hit that right there. Then go to custom installation. You can select everything. I usually select everything right here. This gives me the full access for everything. If I want to make a GUI, use the tinker, whatnot. And right here, I hit here, start for all the users. You can select everything if you want. I'm gonna go ahead and just select everything just to make sure. Then right here is where you want to change some stuff. You're gonna put it. This is where it's gonna put that folder that's gonna download everything at. You want to put it here, Python 3.13, because this is version 13 that we're downloading. It's gonna make a folder on your C drive. Remember this, because you're gonna need this later on. Hit install. Let that run for a couple of minutes. May take long depending on what kind of computer you have. Let it run for a minute. Yeah, it's getting all the important stuff. And this process should be the same, though, regardless of when you never access the video. So if it's like 800 million years from now, you need to access this video. It should be the same. Just going to be a different version. It'd probably be like Python 4008 million or something by the time you do this. So you probably just change the number. But I'm assuming in 800 million years, Python will probably still be around. It should still be the same process unless they change something dramatically, make it more for quantum computer or whatever. Be the big thing at this point. But whatever you decide to watch this video, it still should be the same regardless of the steps. Yeah, we're almost there. Almost there. All right. So that download was successful. So what I'm gonna show you here, if you ever have an issue, I usually just do this right here. I'm gonna go to edit system variable, hit that open right there. Go to environment variables right here. Then right here on the path. As you see, it did add mine to the path, but sometimes it won't add it. What you're gonna do is go to edit, and then you would take that folder that you found, that you placed, that name. That's why I said remember that name. You're gonna place it here. As you can see right here, it's already in mine. So mine should work. Mine's just probably gonna already work. So I'm gonna just hit OK, hit OK, hit OK, and then I can go back and I can type in the command line. See if I do this right here. And voila, there it is. It shows my Python version. So I have it installed. Next time we're gonna go over the IDE. I'm gonna show you the IDE and everything, different IDEs that you can use to install Python with. Go over some variables and whatnot. And yeah, we'll go from there. So now you know how to install Python. Is a quick, easy process. You know how to get to the edit system variable. Again, just go down here in the search bar. You just type in edit, and it should pop up. If you're on Windows 11, it should pop up. And then just hit open. Again, environment variables. Go down to your path and just look for your name, that whatever you named your Python file. That's what I say. Keep it short. Python 3.13. That's the version number. And then hit edit. And if you need to have a new version here, or if you need to, if for some reason it's not popping up here, you need to go and add that folder. Go in there and add this folder right here. What you're gonna do is hit new. You hit new and then add it like here. So it'd be like C. I ain't gonna add it completely, but C example blah blah blah. And that's how you would add your folder. It'll be exactly like this pretty much. Pretty much this is what you'll be adding. So yeah, that's it. You guys have a great night. I hope that worked out. Just let me know in the comments if that helped out for you. And yeah, you guys have a great night. Take care.